Like, uh-oh. So basically, before this video starts, we're just gonna look at my weather real quick. A lightning strike happened recently in your area. So, this is my area. Do not look at the street name. And then right here we have a little zow. And then, yeah. Today, like, weeby show. That literally had nothing to do with today's video. Like, black clouds, not trying to be racist. So, like, weeby show. So, Electro blizzard. So it's where you just rain down blizzards of Electro onto your opponent. Basically, so this is the ideal army composition that you want to use with this. If you don't want to use the, whatever you call it, the, S-Dragon, like the Super Dragon, you can use another 8 balloons, or, yeah, so, and you only need 1 battle bump because it's the same, and you don't need that stone summon because somebody donated that to me for some reason, and yeah. Basically, you can just easily 3-star anytime with 13 with this. Look, this space, like, oh, it's so hard. Well, so, first off, so you use one of your balloons as, like, a coconut loon. Just right there. Test for any seeking air mines and distract any, like, defenses. And then there goes your blimp. So make sure you like come like prepared because it has to be a very specific timing. So put earthquake, the 3 earthquake spells on all these walls, and make sure you deploy the battle blimp the closest to the eagle artillery. And use earthquakes on the area that the eagle artillery is in. Right there. And once the battle blimp goes down, use your 2 clone spells. And then, God, 1,000 sounds are overlapping. Okay, so then use your rage spell. And then an invisibility spell, but only one of them. And then just your super wizards are in there just doing like chain magic, you know? But once the invisibility spell is like close to wearing off to play the other one, and then it should be enough to destroy the artillery, maybe even the town hall. So your goal of that is to destroy the artillery. So if you do that, it's good. If you don't, just don't worry about it too much. But you wanna try to destroy it. Look, this is what just came out of that battle blimp. Basically, oh yeah, and the hero equipment you need is Vamp Stash and Earthquake Boots, Giant Arrow and Healer Puppet, Fireball, and I can't tell them. If you don't have the Fireball, you can use the Rage Gem or the Healing Tome. And then, obviously, but if you're doing Town 14 with this, use for the rage, or no, the rage gem. the Royal Gem and replace it with a Hollow puppet if you can. Okay, so that's basically it. And then once your blimp is done, deploy your queen in the corner and activate the ability instantly. And then, yeah, the giant arrow will destroy a lot. And deploy one of your E-drags here, another one over here, and then deploy a line of 6 of them. And then deploy your extra balloon, your super dragon. If you don't have the super dragon, just use the rest of your balloons. And then the 2 extra barbarians, Grand Warden, what's his name, King, and then the champion. And then, yeah, so just use the hero abilities when necessary. And if you have the fireball, don't use it like when there's an easy defense like a Tesla or something. His king ability, once we're near walls. Here's champion ability, and she's low on health. Look at the Giga Boom. Okay. And then yeah, so that's basically it. If there's any buildings on the outside that you can snipe, deploy an archer. Yeah, so that's basically it. Now just let the troops do their thing. Ooh. Yeah, so just let the troops do their thing. And if you're on a base like this, 3 crown, you know? Yeah, basically it for Electro Blizzard. And if you want to get another version of this army that doesn't use the whole Blizzard, it's called Electro Surgery, which was created by me. At the end of the video and in the description. So yeah. And just to show you that it's not only that base that it's 3 stars, you can do it again. Okay, this is the perfect base for it, so look at that. It could even snipe the town hall. It's really possible. That seemed like a good thing that it wasn't. Okay. That's like basically it. Fireball! Why did I go over there? Explosion. Fireball! Fireball. Fireball! evil lizard. Look at that evil lizard right there. Just whoop. Ooh, I didn't see so buildings. What? Is that maybe? Might be a bit too far. Maybe a bit too swift. Look at that, it's a cat and a half. Look at that earthquake. Oh, oh, oh! Oh! Like, uh-oh. So, and I forgot to tell you, the Grand Warden, preferably on air. Look at that champ right there. He just annihilated my king. Oh! Uh-oh. Oh! Little champion just got chain lightning and destroyed an archer. Like, was she really? Look at all that, like, it's like just a lightning storm right there. Yeah, that's basically, I mean, it's pretty much 3 stars, so yeah. It's just, oh my god, wait, I can upgrade a wall. Okay, 30 walls till max. Right? 30 walls till max. No, 35. No, 34. Okay, so it was basically like 3 crown. Yeah. So electrosurgery is on this side of the screen, and then on this side, those little videos. And there's gonna be even more videos in the description. So yeah, bye.